Chapter 1. Introduction. What, where, how, and when. Rashida's question. Rashida said, reading the newspaper. Suddenly, her eyes fell on a small headline. 100 years ago. How? She wondered. Could anyone know what had happened so many years ago? Finding out. What happened? Yesterday, you could listen to the radio, watch television, read a newspaper. Last year, ask somebody who remembers. But what about long ago? Let us see how it can be done. What can we know about the past? There are several things we can find out. What people ate, the kinds of clothes they wore, the houses in which they lived. We can find out about the lives of hunters, herders, farmers, rulers, merchants, priests, craftspersons, artists, musicians, and scientists. We can also find out about the games children played, the stories they heard, the plays they saw, the song they sang.